Right, we're back again today. Have a look at this rear bumper bar and maybe get to the front. We'll see how we go. So first things first, might have to get this cover off and see what it looks like underneath. First we'll try the old fashioned way. That's got that in about the right spot, so just got to figure this corner out, and that bump bar's ready to go back on. Right, I'll try a bit of persuasion with the old ball peen hammer, see what that does for it. No G. We'll try a bit of heat with the hot air gun first, see if that gets a bit softer. Definitely melts the paint. Just like that, it's pretty good. Making a hole for this end. Beautiful. The other issue at the body is this is the corner here. Just going to go to the junk pile and see what we can find to stick in there. I found this bit of old headlight. I reckon just cut a strip out the centre there somewhere. That'll cover our little hole up, bit of red paint, and stand about 100 metres away and look perfect. Got the truss cell air shears, so we'll just make a little patch about that long and patch him up. That should cover up, I think. Right, our next step's the riveter. Had a proper disaster. We've had a thong blowout, so that's annoying. Yeah, found some new thongs, so let's get back into it. The delicious red kill rust. So easy stuff. We paint the car with a brush, we spray it, touch it up with these cans. So a quick coat for test. Alright, we'll do the rub rail. Oh, look at that. That's down 100 yards away, you would never notice that repair. Right, so that's the bodywork done. Just fixed up the little part down here and straight out the back guard. We're going to paint that bit still. We'll touch all that up later after we paint. I'll wash the car a bit better. And next step will be to put the new temperature gauge in and cut some holes in the grill and see what else we can find up the front. And then the other job to do will be fix the muffler, reattach it, and then we're good to go for a Tamworth on the 11th of January.